The Johnny Depp and Amber Heard defamation trial might technically be over, but with each passing day, it's becoming clear we're not even close to a legal resolution. On Friday, July 1st, Amber's attorneys filed a 43-page motion in an attempt to get the court to overturn the more than $10 million judgment against their client. The filing runs down a host of different reasons they feel the verdict should be thrown out, including problems with Juror 15. But the problem is that they're targeting an unknown face, meaning they're relying on guesswork. This, in the eyes of the court, appears as a witch hunt and will obviously affect Amber's attempt to appeal the case. We have no idea who Juror 15 is. Depp's attorney don't know who he is, and so is Amber's. His identity is legally protected, but according to Amber's legal team, his inclusion in the jury may have compromised her due process. That's because they claim his age was reportedly listed incorrectly on the juror list panel. He was apparently identified as being born in 1945, but he looks much younger and seems, in their estimation, to have actually been born decades later. They wanted investigated as to whether he actually received a summons to appear and want to look into whether he was properly vetted by the court. This is partly the statement Amber Heard's lead attorney, Elaine Bredehoft, signed and submitted to the court. The court should investigate whether Juror 15 properly served on the jury. On the juror list panel sent to counsel before voir dire, the court noted that the individual would later be designated Juror 15 had the birth year of 1945. Juror 15, however, was clearly born later than 1945. Publicly available information demonstrates that he appears to have been born in 1970. This discrepancy raises the question of whether Juror 15 actually received a summons for jury duty and was properly vetted by the court to serve on the jury. In the same legal filing, Amber's team admits jury panel errors aren't ordinarily grounds for getting a verdict overturned, but they claim there's a possibility Juror 15 isn't who he says he is, which would be, in their estimation, a due process violation. The allegation is just one in a long list of problems they run down in this most recent filing. The actress and her team claim Johnny Depp didn't actually prove that he suffered that much financial hardship because of the op-ed. They argue it was very unlikely the actor would have appeared in Pirates of the Caribbean 6, and they argue Depp himself said he wouldn't have taken the role for 1 million alpacas. In addition, her team is arguing that what actually matters here is whether Amber believes she was abused. If she believed her own allegations, a jury can't find she acted with malice. They claim Depp's legal team never proved she didn't believe her own claims. Depp and Amber were only married from 2015 to 2017, but their relationship has lived on through a series of court cases and legal issues in the aftermath. Most recently, Depp sued his ex-wife for defamation after she published an op-ed claiming she was the victim of domestic abuse. The televised 6-week trial proved enormously popular with the general public, and millions watched as both took the stand and hurled allegations against each other, ranging from abuse to drug use to intentionally pooping in the bed. The jury ultimately awarded mostly in favor of Johnny Depp. They ruled she acted with malice and defamed him on several counts and awarded him more than $15 million in damages, which was later reduced to $10 million and change. They also found in her favor on one count over a statement Depp's former attorney made and awarded her $2 million. There was some hope the two would settle and move on after the trial, but this latest motion would seem to indicate their legal situation would continue. Where do you think this will end? Let us know in the comments below. In our upcoming videos, we'll be bringing you more of such amazing content, so be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't get to miss any of them.